Hello everyone, welcome to TutorialsPoint. In this video, we will be discussing about the mechanism of breathing. So let us talk about the mechanism of breathing in human beings. The breathing process or the breathing mechanism, it involves the respiratory movements. And what is included in the respiratory movements? It involves the alternate contraction and relaxation of the chest cavity or the thoracic cavity. So this process actually helps in the process of breathing. Now the process of breathing, it involves two important stages. What are those? Inspiration and expiration. So what do we mean by inspiration? The process of inspiration, it involves the intake of atmospheric air into the lungs. Whereas expiration, it involves the throwing out of air or the alveolar air, which mostly comprises of carbon dioxide from the alveoli into the outside or into the environment. So these are the two important processes that is involving in the breathing. Now, in a typical healthy human being, the breathing frequency or the respiratory frequency is about 12 to 16 times per minute. Now this breathing and the exchange of gases can happen because of the development of a pressure gradient of the various molecules like carbon dioxide and oxygen in the blood and in the alveolar air. So because of this pressure gradient development, the exchange of gases in and out of the lungs and the alveoli and the blood is possible. Now let us take a look on the respiratory membranes. Now the respiratory membrane, it involves the alveolar epithelium. It also involves the capillary epithelium, the basement membranes and the intestinal fluids. These respiratory membranes, they are basically the important sites for the gaseous exchange, like exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. So this is the alveoli structure you are seeing, and here this is the membrane, respiratory membrane, which actually involves the gaseous exchange. The alveoli, they have squamous epithelial lining, and these are highly glandular and highly vascular. This means that they have rich blood supply within itself or around itself. Because of this highly glandular and vascular structure, the proper exchange of gases in and out of the alveoli is possible. Alveolar epithelium and the capillary epithelium, these are the two epithelial cells which actually separate blood and air inside the alveoli. So in this video, we have introduced ourselves to the mechanism of breathing. We have talked about the respiratory membranes also to understand how the respiration or the exchange of gases can take place. I hope you have understood and liked this video. Thank you.